My name is Dr. MUHAMMAD FAROOQ SALEEM KHAN.
He has been educated in China for a long time.
Recently, I'm assistant professor in Ibn University in the Department of International Applied Technology.
He's also a long-term guest for a TV show which focuses on CPEC between Pakistan and China.
We have 60% of youth, and that is our power. Government decided to do something, they can do it. If the Chinese students, they go there, they also be able to learn more and they can bring back the knowledge.
His name is Muhammad Farooq Saleem Khan, who has been in China for 7 years. When in China, welcome to this edition of Dr. Khan in China.
I'm in Beijing since last 6 years. I studied environmental science and engineering from Tsinghua University, which is China's #1 university, and it is among the top 20 university in the world. And I did my postdoctoral also from Tsinghua University, and then now I'm in the Faculty of Applied Science and Technology in Sichuan. Before coming to China, in Pakistan, I was working with the government. I was a government officer in Rescue 1122. I was emergency officer there. So I worked there for over 7 years, and then I came for higher education, and I started my career in the academics here in China.
Dr. Khan came to China 7 years ago and studied in Tsinghua University. And now he has become an assistant professor at the Faculty of International Applied Technology in Ibn University.
We have to teach the students of the science and technology, especially environmental engineering, and also for me, like, I'm also trying to cooperate with more international universities with our university for collaborations. So that's why I have initiated a collaboration activity between the Pakistani University, that is Punjab University, and Ibn University, so that we can have an exchange collaboration, like students from this university can go to Punjab University, and from Punjab University can come to Ibn University, and also we are trying to have like faculty exchange program and joint research programs. So this is with one university, and also with some other universities around the world we are doing that. Me along with the professor, we went to Punjab University as an invited speaker. We tried to have some joint research. So we did some research on water quality of Lahore. Because I born and brought up in Lahore, I'm Lahori, so I feel not very good about the water quality of my city. So that's why I bring some samples from Lahore, and we did some research on that, and that research is under publication. Soon we will publish the results of those in a scientific peer-reviewed journal. So in Pakistan, the universities offer English courses. So it is very good for Chinese students. So if they want to study in English courses, they can go to Pakistani universities. There are two things, that the universities are good, teachers are very hardworking, and the environment is very safe, and very friendly for Chinese students. So when they go, they will learn more, and they can learn English, they can learn Urdu also. And the best thing is Pakistani university, the fees will be very low. The fees is very low, so it's very affordable fees. So every Chinese citizen student cannot go to Oxford or to the Bradford University or to the top university having the high price. The fees is very high, the living cost is very high. So if they go to Pakistan, the living cost is very low, the fees is very low, so it will be very cheap, and the quality of education will be very good. So as you see, I studied all my education from Pakistan, so you can see that what we did, and now we studied from the top university of China. So it means we did something, and we learned something good, that we came here and we are able to work here, we are able to contribute.
In addition, Dr. Khan knows well about the trade between China and Pakistan and often helps his friends to do businesses.
In my opinion, Chinese government, after this, we having this China-Pakistan economic corridor, we have more stronger relations in terms of economy. So before, maybe that was the people-to-people relation, but now the economic relations are also strengthening day by day. So there are many of my friends, they are interested in some sort of imports and exports from China to Pakistan and Pakistan to China. So I help them also to negotiate the business with Chinese businessmen, and sometimes if a Chinese businessman is asking for some kind of product that is available in Pakistan, so I try to help them to get that product from Pakistan. So this is what I'm doing in my spare time. Right now we are having two important business going on. Number one is that we are trying to import the iron ore from Balochistan. So we have minerals in Balochistan, so we want to try to import that ore. So we have already done the background work for that, the laboratory testing, the quality confirmation. So everything has been done here. Now the buyer in China, in Dalian, they are just negotiating about the trade, about the freight, I mean the freight price, and then we are going to finalize this to import the iron ore from Balochistan to China. The other thing is China is very good at electric vehicles, especially the smart vehicles, the small electric bikes, and for this there are many state-owned companies. So there is one state-owned company that is in Tianjin and Wuxi. So I'm also trying to with the help of the Ministry of China, Ministry of Economics of China, with the help of them we are trying to export the electric vehicles to Pakistan, because this technology is much needed in Pakistan. So we are also doing that. Balochistan is one of the provinces in Pakistan which is rich of resources, especially iron, gold, copper and aluminium. So we have a lot of resources there. So this is why we wanted to bring that resources to China, and China is a good consumer of these ores, and there is a lot of potential for this kind of trade here. So that's why this would be the first time we want to introduce the Pakistani iron ore here in China, and I hope this will work good. First, I came here in China in 2012, and then I came here in China for pursuing my PhD in 2014. So in 2014, let me tell you that when I saw that we hardly see the blue sky in Beijing, but later on over the years I saw that the quality of air pollution is getting controlled and the quality is improving. So we see that like in 2017, 18 and 19 and until 20, the air quality has been improved a lot than as compared to 14 or 15. So there were two main reasons behind this. Number one is that the Chinese government was committed to bring the air pollution under control, and number second, they decided to have right person for the right job, And let me tell you that I studied my PhD from Tsinghua University and from the School of Environment, and the Beijing mayor is also from Tsinghua University. He was the professor in the environmental science and in engineering, and he also was the president of Tsinghua, and then later on now he is the mayor of Beijing. So he is the right person. He knows the pollution and he knows how to control the pollution. This is very important for us, that when government decided to do something, they can do it. So they set the target and they start working on that. So what they did, actually they did that there were many coal power plants around Beijing. They tried to make the efficient technology so that if you use coal to produce power, so but the efficient technology make less pollution. So this is why like they converted that. And the green energy, introducing the green energy is very important, like solar panels, like wind energy and hydel energy, like, so that is very important, that shifting from the conventional resources to come to the green resources was very important. And that's why the air quality has been improved over the years, and this is very important. And also I saw that the government of China is also trying to improve the greenery. I mean, so if there is a lot of construction going on, cities are being built, and there is a lot of roads infrastructure is going on, still they cut the trees and something. So an alternate to improve the quality of environment, we need to grow more plants. So this is what Chinese government is doing right now. I saw with my eyes that within a matter of months, within a matter of days, they have created the green environment, and they're bringing more and more plants to the city life, so that it can bring a fresh air to the environment. And there is another policy that you cannot drive your car every day in Beijing. I mean, we have to drive our car on the basis of our number plate. So this is very important, that you have to control the pollution by different steps. I love the way the China-Pakistan friendship is turning into an economic friendship now. So this is through China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and I'm really very hoping for the best economic future of Pakistan. I hope Pakistan will grow soon, and I wish that my country environment improves a lot. Everybody can have clean drinking water, everybody can have a clean air to live in, and this is something which I'm hopeful I want to do that. And because I studied environment here for 4 years, and then 2 years of research on that as a postdoctor, and now teaching the environmental engineering, I have been witnessed all those development over the years.
Due to his experiences, Dr. Khan is determined to help more Pakistani young people and contribute to his country in the near future.
The nation is young. We have 60% of youth, and that is our power. So we need to give them healthy air, healthy water, healthy food, so they can be a more resourceful nation to the world. And hopefully we'll do that, and I want to contribute that. And my dream is to participate in the China-Pakistan relationship on maybe at a very minor level, but I want to contribute that. In Beijing, we wanted to visit Summer Palace. So when on the way, the driver asked me that, where are you from? I said that I'm from Pakistan. He said, oh, Batiye. So then he was very happy, and he called his home, and he called the video call, and he said, look, he is my Pakistani friend with me. And he says, okay, now I need to pay you money. And he said, no, you are my Pakistani friend, I don't want to take money from you. I said, come on.